Guys, welcome to another edition of this do-it-yourselfer channel. Remember, this is a do-home stuff, so a lot of people complain that I don't use gloves and stuff like that, but I don't, because I do it at home. Anyway, this is a 2010 Jetta, and I've been having a little complaint about the temperature light coming on. And after an inspection, I noticed that there was a leak right on the reservoir, and I'm gonna show you where. So right in here, guys, that's where, and I can see that it's broken. If you can see, if the camera can focus right, there's a crack there. So the whole reservoir has to be ordered, and it looks tight there, but it's not that as hard as it looks. So we're gonna disassemble this thing so that we can work on it. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this hose out. I don't have any special tools like the other guy, so I'm just gonna use a regular pliers that I got home and do that. So using regular pliers, we're gonna pull this clip, and we're gonna push it back, and the camera was out of focus, but yeah, you can see what I'm doing in here. There you go. That's kind of dirty. You can see where the breakage was. Okay. Am I gonna have to move this wiring out of the way so that we can get to those two bolts right there underneath? Obviously, you need to work when the vehicle is cold. Otherwise, it's gonna be hot. But make sure there's no pressure, and also I assume that your tank is gonna be empty because it's drained. If you're changing it, it's probably because it's cracked. Okay, and this is what we got so far. Okay, and that's what we got. Now, to disconnect the wiring, all you have to do is pull this tab. I pull it. See this? Yeah. Okay. Now we have those two bolts right there, and all we gotta do is find out what measurement it is, so that way we can pull the tank out and remove another hose that we got on the bottom. Okay. Gonna move that out of the way. Okay, guys, so we are getting a T25 torque, and this is what we're getting. And this is what we're using to remove this. Okay. Here's one, and we just got the other one right here. It's real easy, no tight at all, no pressure. Okay, and we just pull it with your hand. No needs. And the second one. All right. Now this thing, it should pop out like this. Let me see. It should come out. Yeah, it should come out just enough so that we can work with the second hose down there. And then we can work with the second hose. We can move the electrical stuff. You see the second hose? Well, we can work there. Okay. And also we can use this pair of pliers. I don't have special pliers for this, you know. I'm just like you. I'm doing it at home, so yeah, I'm gonna try. Okay. Okay. So I hope the camera catches this. But using this pair of pliers, I'm just gonna grab this type of hook is a little bit harder, but you're gonna try to catch both ends and right away try to squeeze it out and leave it right here outside the hose. And to pull this out, just the easiest way is to grab it with the pliers and out. And this is it, guys. We got the tank out. Now we have to install the new one in. Alright, so let's get it done. And I just got the new water reservoir online, real cheap. This is a new one, pretty cool. And we're just gonna start by reversing, doing the reverse as the other one. And of course I'm just gonna put the hose on the bottom first. Okay, so I'm gonna put the bottom hose first, and you can do it like that, and you can screw it just like a screw. And once you have it there, remember with the pliers, just grab it from both ends like that. And bring the clamp up to the front, and we got it. As long as you pass the head of, you know, it has a head, and as long as you pass it, you're good. Nothing is gonna happen. Now we're gonna line it up with the two screws on the back. Line it up with the two screws or bolts. And with a T25, we're gonna install it. Remember, guys, so we're gonna use a T25 right here. We're just gonna line up and put the bolt in there. I'm gonna try to do it with my hand first. I'm gonna put around. And I'm going to try to line it up in the hole right there. As long as it screws a little bit. And I'm just going to put the other one right there on the other side. I'm just going to push it. Well, you know where it goes. My hand kind of blocked it, but you know where it goes. You know what I'm talking about. And we're just gonna tighten them up, both sides. And we're gonna get the other one. Also going. Okay, that's good enough. Now we're gonna get this hose right here. For this, I'm gonna have to bring this clamp back, stick the hose, and then put it back. You know, I'm gonna pull this clamp, pull the hose, and then the clamp. So I'm just gonna bring it right here for a little bit. I think this one it wasn't into the hole pretty good. I don't know what happened here. Let's see. You see what I did, right? So once we got the hose back, I had to pull the clamp back on again. I wanted to push the hose back all the way in, as you can see. And all you have to do is put the clamp back inside. As I'm doing it right now for a better seal. That's all I did. And all we gotta do is put the cables back in here. Gotta remove this plastic cover. This is just a cover. And we're gonna connect the pigtail. The pigtail is connected. We're gonna fill it up with water and we're ready to go. This is how we connect the water reservoir. It looks harder than what it is. It's not hard at all, but this is it, guys. All we have to do is just a little bit of patience with these little automobiles. Everything is small in here, but we got a brand new water reservoir in here. Gotta fill it out with water and bingo. Alright guys, hope this video is help you out. It's easy. And we'll see you on the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and liking it. Thank you guys. See you next video.